I will use couple of clean tea towels, really brand new sponge, some vinegar, bowl, and washing up liquid. First I'm gonna take all the parts apart, unscrew the black filters, carbon filters, and the white stops. You can see how much I have built up from the lime scale. There is a lot of lime scale in water. It's a really hard water. I just want to say the Berkey filters, they don't soften the water, but they remove like a lot of nasty stuff. Just using clean, pure vinegar, spraying all the canisters inside and outside. All this part is quite easily to remove. I would highly recommend to take pictures of all fastenings, and when it's time to assemble it back after you clean, it's easy to remember what is going where. This part is quite slimy, it's quite nasty. So I'm just using hot water and some washing up liquid to clean all the parts, small parts. I do not use any chemicals, any washing up liquid on actual carbon. Just nice warm water, brand new sponge, and scrubbing actions. Not so hard. So here I soaked my cisterns in vinegar for quite a while, and it still have the lime scale. Now I'm using just bicarbonate of soda, and it didn't work. It worked in some way, but it's not the result I want. So now I'm using a little bit of really fine sandpaper, and in really gentle motions scrubbing it. And because of I soaked it in vinegar previously, it cleaned it easily and quite quickly. Drying with clean tea towel. So, finished by cleaning my Berkey filter, and I'm gonna show you a couple tricks to polish it so it's really nice and shiny. You can just use the glass cloth. This is the normal cloth you can buy from any supermarket. It's usually like a really thick microfiber. Good to polish, stainless steel. It looks really, really nice and shiny like a mirror. So here's a do test. I put a little bit of water in a canister and see if it's no leakage. It's easy to do this way, so it's good to check all the fastening are working. Red dye test, easy to do, just some food coloring. I used red food coloring. Pour some and you can see it's clean. My filters are working really well. Now is another way I can check that both filters are fine. So I lift the cistern there. There's no red dye coming. So all the water coming through clean. I'm really happy.